Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's September 19th, 2025. This is going to be a real short video. I wanted to record some video today, but today was a crazy busy day. But Thea and I had to take a road trip, go pick up our new Diamond C Deckover trailer, 24-foot Deckover trailer. I'll go over the details of this in a future video. But just got it home just a couple of minutes ago. It's 24 feet long, hydraulic jack on it, hydraulic tilt bed on it, and so this will make hauling stuff much easier. So I've been a big fan of Diamond C trailers for quite some time. Always wanted to own one, and now we've got a Deckover. This way, if I need to haul a piece of equipment, now I can't haul the real heavy, the Hulk or the excavator, but the rest of the equipment I probably can haul. I've got to do some calculations to see, and it pulls like a dream. Absolutely fantastic. And Thor, the Cybertruck, is just amazing with it. So tickled pink that this worked out so well. Very, very nice. So, and there's something else in the driveways, but that'll come up in another video soon. So sorry it's a short one. Hope everyone's doing well. We're both tired. It's been a long day, and it's time to close this up, disconnect it, and have a great day. So stay safe and take care. Bye bye now.